Dr. Hazard must be teaching genetics this term. These students keep talking a lot about this Gregor Mendel fella. Wonder what that's all about.
Gregor Mendel observed and studied pea plants. His discoveries are what make up Mendelian inheritance and laid the groundwork for all genetic and animal breeding theory since his time. The first law is the law of segregation, which is the separation of paired genes during the stem cell formation. This is meiosis.
Wow, so I only have half of my chromosomes from Mama U and the other half from Tux.
That's right. And the second law of segregation is the law of independent assortment. That is the independent segregation of genes at different loci.
Wow, I didn't know these sheep were so smart.
A gene is the basic physical unit of heredity, consisting of DNA sequences at a specific location on a chromosome.
A chromosome is a long strand of DNA and associated proteins present in the nucleus of a cell. Loci is the location of a gene on a chromosome.
Only 2 genes can be at one locus, but you can have multiple alleles at one locus.
An allele is an alternate form of a gene. How many alleles do you have, Mom and Dad?
Well, your dad and I are heterozygous, meaning both of our genes at the locus of interest are functionally different.
Sheep have 54 chromosomes, and during breeding, each parent passes on 27 chromosomes to their offspring. The offspring do not always look like a combination of their parents, however. This is because there are variant forms of genes. Each trait has different forms, which are expressed by alleles. Alleles can be dominant or recessive. If 2 alleles paired together are dominant, then they will be expressed as a visible trait or phenotype. This is called being homozygous dominant. If a recessive allele is paired with a dominant one, then the recessive trait will be masked by the dominant trait. This is called heterozygosity. In the case of a homozygous recessive pairing, there are 2 recessive alleles paired together, which allows for the recessive trait to be expressed as the phenotype.
So, due to Mendelian laws of inheritance, we have different genotypes even though we look the same. I can see now. I am BB.
I am big B, little b.
I am big B, little b.
I'm little b, little b.
Oh yes, and you are all my beautiful lambs. The random sampling of parental genes caused by segregation and independent assortment of genes during germ cell formation, and by random selection of gametes in the formation of embryos made you all unique at random. That's all for now, kids. Say goodnight. Bye.
Didn't even know sheep were listening.